Meaning of entry.
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 Entry. The term entry can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to something that allows access or participation in a particular domain or activity. For example, an entry in a competition is a submission that is considered as a participant. In computing, an entry may refer to an item in a list, database, or directory. The concept of entry is also used in accounting to refer to a financial transaction that records the inflow or outflow of resources. Overall, entry denotes a way to gain access or become part of something.